The next aspect of reflection is what? Is image. What is image? Image can be defined as a copy of an object produced with the aid of what? Of light ray. Image is a what? A copy of an object produced with the aid of what? Of light what? Light ray. So we use light ray to what? To produce what? Image. The copy of an object which produced with the aid of what? Of light ray, we call it what? Image. And the image is formed by the formation or by the intersection of what? Of two or more what? Ray. And there are two types of what? Of image. Two types of what? Of image. We have what we call what? Real image. And we have what we call virtual what? Virtual image. What is real image? Real image is an image which can be formed on a surface, or is an image which can be formed on a what? On a screen. And the virtual image is an image which cannot be formed on a what? On a surface or on a what? On a screen. So my image in a how am I going to put it? In a phone, in handset phone, is a real what? Real image. Or the image you see on a what? On a photograph is a what? Is a real image. The image of an object on television is a real what? Image. Any image that you see on a what? On the screen is a what? Is a real image. But the virtual image is an image which cannot be what? See on a what? On a screen or on a what? On a surface. And the real image always form in the front of what? Of mirror. Where the virtual image always form at the back of what? Of mirror. Real image form in the front of mirror. Virtual image form on the back of the mirror. Real image is what? It can be see on the what? On the surface, but virtual image can what? Cannot. So that's all about what? Image. Once again, image can be defined as a what? As a copy of an object which produced by what? By light what? Light ray. And there are some of image. We have real image and we have what? Virtual what? Virtual image. The next one now is what? Image formed by plain what? Mirror. Let's check it. Image formed by what? Image formed by plain mirror. Mirror. So let us look at what? The image that is formed by plain what? By plain mirror. Assume this is a what? A plain what? Mirror. Mirror. And here we have what? Objects that stand in front of what? Of mirror, like this. Let me call it A. And the foot is what? Is B. We are, and we want to look at the what? The image form. And this is what? Plain what? This is mirror. So, to know the image form, the first thing that we do is what? The light ray will come from here and incident the plane surface, and it's what? Reflected back like this. And the second one is what? You will now draw a what? A line from top of the object that incident on the what? On the mirror. So the next thing you will now do is what? At the back of the mirror here, you will draw a broken what? A broken line. Continue like this. And this one will also what? Go up to meet this. Like this, this one will come up like this. And this point of intersection here is where what? The image what? Form. The point of intersection here is where the what? The optical what? Image form. And this place will be what? Is A. So this place will be what? Will be B. And this is what we call what? The image. And this one we call what? Object. So if you put what? Object in the front of the what? Of the mirror, expect this kind of what? Of image form. So this is what? How image form in what? In the front of what? Of mirror. This is object. This is what we call what? Image. And the next thing is what? Let us look at what? What are the properties of image form in what? In plane mirror. Properties. In plane what? Mirror. So from this, I think we can deduct the nature or properties of image form in what? In plane mirror. Look at what? This object and image, they are of the same what? Height. Abi? Therefore, number one, you can now say that what? The image form is what? The same height or the same what? Size with objects. If you look at yourself in front of plane mirror, you observe that what? Your image that you see inside the mirror is your what? Is with the same size with your object. So the image form in plane mirror is the same size with what? With objects. So the next thing is what? If the distance of an object from distance of object from front of plane mirror between a distance of object from front of plane mirror is 20 meter, and the image distance is also what? 20 meter. Object distance from the mirror, if it is what? Distance here between object and the mirror, assume the distance here is what? Is 5 meter. The distance between the what? The image and the what? Mirror will also what? 5 meter. So if the distance reduced to 3 meter from object, the image also what? Reduce. That is, the image distance from the mirror, as part of the mirror, is known as what? Object what? Distance from the front of the what? Of mirror. It has what? It has what? The same distance with what? With objects. Front of the what? Mirror. And the next one is what? If you look at what? The image here, object here, object is upright. Look at the image too. The image is what? Is also what? Upright. Abi? So the next one is what? The image in plane mirror is what? Is upright. Image is what? Upward. Upright, that is what? Erect. If you look at the what? The image there is formed at the back of the what? Of mirror. But I said other type of image, real and virtual. Which one can be found back of the mirror? I said virtual image can be found at the back of the what? Back of the mirror. So therefore, the image formed here is what? Is virtual. Is not real. The last one, the image is what? Laterally inverted. So those are the what? The 5 properties of image form in what? In plane mirror. The same size with objects, the same distance with objects. The image is upright or erect, is virtual, not real. Image is what? Is laterally what? Inverted. So let us look at the term laterally inversion. So in lateral inversion, the image formed by plane mirror, the image formed by what? By plane mirror, the right side object, right what? Side object appear as what? Left side image. Where the what? The left side object appear as what? Right side. So the lateral inversion is a phenomenon in which the image of an object in the plane mirror, the right side object will appear as what? At left what? Left side. Where the what? The left side appear as what? Right side. Because the reflection that takes place in the plane mirror occur in a what? In a parallel plane, not in what? In vertical plane. That's why the what? My image of my left hand in the plane mirror, this left hand, the image of this left hand will appear as what? As right what? Right hand. The image of this right hand will appear as what? As left hand. And the phenomenon is called what? Lateral inversion. And take for example now, assume that what? We are having a what? A mirror like this. In this mirror, this is a what? A mirror. And I write what? PDF. Here. So if you want to, if you look at what? This PDF in the what? In the mirror, what do you see first? You will see what? FDP. So the phenomenon whereby what? This is PDF. P, we have P first there. But in the image form, F comes first, followed by D, and the P is the last alphabet. It's called lateral what? Inversion. So the next one is what? The image form in inclined mirror. Image form in what? In inclined mirror. Image form in what? Inclined mirror. That is, if two mirrors are inclined with each other, what will be the what? The kind of image form. Or what will be the what? The types of image form. Let's check it here. We have mirror, two mirror like this. This is mirror 1. Here we have mirror 2. Abi? And this is two mirror. And they are inclined with what? With each other. Two angle what? Let's put angle here. Angle theta. And this is what? The angle between the what? The two mirror Let me call it what? Theta. So, and we are putting an object what? Object here. Assume this is what? Of what? Object. We are now asked what? What will be the number of what? Of image of this object form if two mirrors are inclined with what? With each other. And the number of image form here, it will be what? What? The number of image form, it will be 360 over theta minus what? Minus 1. This is the formula used to what? To determine the number of image form when two mirrors are what? Are inclined with what? With each other.